Due to some recent changes in the Google integrations, the way that you connect Google Sheets is a little bit different than before. You still go towards the integration section from the left-hand menu from your dashboard overview. Go towards Google Sheets. From here, you can see I am already connected, but let's disconnect. You'll then be able to sign in with Google. Select the select the Google account of your choice. Continue. Just continue. Will be redirected back. The additional step that you need to take is to add the sheets directly here instead of inside the workflow. You can add a sheet either by add sheet by URL. So that is something that you can do as well and give it a name. Or you can just say add sheet. And then it will take you towards your various available Google Sheets. Just connect the one that you want to connect to. So for example, this one. And then it will be added and available for you to use inside of your flow automations.